Greetings, children of Northcliffe Primary School. It's been a long time since we last saw you. Today we will be showing you a video guiding you through the process of what will happen on your first day back at school. On your day of return, you are to arrive at Acacia Gate, which is the gate at the top field. The gate will open at 7 a.m. Please come to school wearing a mask. If you do not have one, we will provide one for you. A teacher will be standing at Acacia Gate, waiting to greet you. Parents, please stay inside your car and wait until your child's temperature has been taken to ensure that your child has been admitted onto the school property before driving off. While waiting to enter the gate, stand on one of the dots that have been painted on the pavement. Keep a social distance of 1.5 meters between one another. Wait until you are called to be screened. We will let in one learner onto the property at a time. Turn left after you enter into the gate and walk towards the screening tables. When you enter through the gate, you will first step into the foot trough to sanitize your shoes. And then, sanitize your hands. Your teachers will be wearing protective gear. Look for your class number that will be attached to each table on the screening tables. When you get your teacher, she will take your temperature and your mode of transport will be recorded. If your temperature is too high, you will be asked to take a seat in order for your temperature to regulate. Once you have waited for 10 minutes, you will be called back by your teacher and have your temperature taken again. If your temperature is normal, you may go to your locker or go down to the field. If your temperature is unchanged and still too high after 10 minutes, or if you are coughing, sneezing or feel weak, you will need to be sent to the quarantine room. The quarantine room, which is the music room, is there for further screening. Do not enter the quarantine room without permission. Before you enter, you need to sanitize your hands and make sure that you are wearing a mask. When you enter, your temperature will be taken and recorded. Then, you will have a seat in the 10-minute chair. When the 10 minutes are up, your temperature will be taken and recorded again. If your temperature is still high, you will have a seat in the waiting chair. In the waiting chair, you will wait another 30 minutes. When the time is up, your temperature will be taken for a third and final time. If it is still above 37.5 degrees, you will have a seat in the collection chair. Your parents will be contacted to fetch you immediately and take you to the doctor or clinic for screening. You will wait in the quarantine room until they arrive. If your temperature is normal at the screening tables, and if you have a locker, you will be directed to walk down the stairs and straight to your locker to clear it out. Please bring your locker key and an extra bag so that you can empty out your locker. You will not be allowed out of class to collect items during a lesson. We will assist you by cutting off your locks if you do not have a key or if you have forgotten it at home. When you are done, walk back up and find your class. If you do not have a locker and your temperature is normal, you will walk straight to the corner of the field by the netball courts. By the netball courts, a section of the field has been divided up for you to have a safe surrounding. Each class is grouped into dots. The new class list will be emailed to your parents so that you know which will be your new class number. A teacher will be waiting for you and will guide you to your class and the dots. You will then have a chance to meet and greet your friends, from a distance of course. You will wait for the bell to ring at 7:30. Your teachers will be on duty, making sure everything is safe. At 7:30, when the bell rings, you will be taken to your classroom and seated at a desk with your name on it. You will also receive your Term 1 report, a soap and a mask. There will be less people in your class to accommodate social distancing. You will remain in the same classroom at your own desk. Your educators will move every hour, every lesson to teach each class. You will only be allowed to use the bathroom if it is not occupied. Outside the mobile classes will be a stand showing if someone is in the bathroom or not. If the bathroom is not occupied, you first sanitize your hands. Then lift the sign to show that you will be in the bathroom. You may not enter a bathroom without permission or a face mask. When you use a bathroom, use the cubicle that is marked boys if you're a boy, or girls if you're a girl. Do not use a toilet that is out of order or one that is for staff only. When you are done in the bathroom and on your way back to class, first sanitize your hands before flipping the sign back again to show that the bathroom is empty. Please bring a water bottle to school every day. Do not drink water from any tap. You will also not be allowed to share a water bottle with your friends. If you blow your nose, cough or sneeze into a tissue, please throw your tissue into the bin outside your class with the red packet. Our school is prepared and it has been made as safe as possible to welcome you back. If we all take responsibility, we will all be safe. With great power comes great responsibility. We cannot wait to see you.